Hiring remote Python developers can unlock significant advantages for your business. Python developers are experts in using the Python programming language to create innovative solutions across various sectors. From web development to artificial intelligence, their skills are indispensable in driving technological progress and solving complex problems. Python developers are involved in a wide range of projects. They develop web applications, implement data science algorithms, and create scalable, reliable applications. Their work spans from scientific computing and data analysis to automation scripting and prototyping applications tailored for specific industries. Python's rich standard library and active community support make it a versatile tool for developers. The demand for Python developers has surged globally. According to GitHub, there has been a 41% increase in demand for Python developers in recent years. The Popularity of Programming Language Index, PYPL, also ranks Python as the most widely used programming language. In 2024, its usage increased by 22.5% year over year, highlighting its growing importance. Python developers bring numerous benefits to the table. Their efficiency in developing applications is unmatched, thanks to Python's easily readable syntax and extensive standard library. They drive innovation, particularly in fields like machine learning and data science. Python's web development frameworks, such as Flask and Django, offer secure solutions for creating scalable websites. Additionally, Python's scripting abilities make it ideal for automating business processes, increasing productivity, and reducing manual labor. Hiring remote Python developers offers several advantages. It provides access to a global talent pool, which is crucial given the tech talent shortage in certain regions. Remote hiring also optimizes cost and hiring time, as it eliminates the need for lengthy recruitment processes. Implementing remote work policies can increase employee loyalty and retention, as it offers flexibility and freedom. Moreover, remote teams can adapt quickly to changing business needs, ensuring continuous progress even during unforeseen events like pandemics. To find the best Python developers, start by clearly outlining the job requirements, including the necessary skills and responsibilities. Analyze resumes and portfolios to understand candidates' relevant experience and projects. Organize technical interviews or coding challenges to assess their practical knowledge and problem-solving abilities. Evaluate their soft skills such as teamwork and communication to ensure they fit well with your workplace culture. Finally, review their past projects and successes to gauge their ability to deliver effective solutions. By following this systematic approach, you can shortlist candidates who are best suited for your needs. In conclusion, hiring remote Python developers can significantly benefit your business by providing access to top talent, reducing costs, and increasing productivity. Their expertise in Python can drive innovation and efficiency, helping your company stay competitive in a rapidly evolving technological landscape.